Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. In today's video, I am going to be doing a brow routine video. I'm doing this because a lot of times my brows take so long in my video, so I wanted to do a separate one. So here is me. Here's my face, you know, bare face and everything, nothing on it. I'm going to start off by shaping up my brows. So I'm just going to use one of those eyebrow shapers that you can get anywhere. And I'm putting Vaseline on my eyebrows and I'm going to go ahead and shape those up. Now, when I used to get my eyebrows waxed at the nail salon, they used to always like fuss at me and stuff when I come in and get my eyebrows waxed because I use my razor in between. But I'm doing my everything now by myself. Nails, brows, everything. So I'm just going to groom my brows because when your brows are like bushy and stuff, you can definitely finesse them and make it look good, but it looks so much better when you clean up your brows. And while I'm already shaving up my brows, I'm going to go ahead and shave my stash, get rid of all the hair that comes up. And some people say like, don't shave your mustache because it's going to come back thicker, but I'm going to shave it again. So I'm going to set my brows with the Coty Airspun powder in color naturally neutral, and I put a setting powder on my brows because it helps the pencil stick to your brows and not get all oily and stuff, because sometimes pencils can kind of slide on your face and stuff if you don't set it or put like a primer or something. But I feel like setting powder does a good job for me. So for my brows, I'm going to use the Benefit Precisely My Brow pencil in color 3.75. I've used tons of different colors, but currently I've been using 3.75. I love this pencil because it does what the name says. It's very precise and I can get a really nice clean look with little effort. So I'm starting at a little bit behind the head of my brow. I don't start at the very beginning, and I'm going ahead and creating my arch, just kind of dragging the line. And you guys see, I'm showing you guys the angle where I stop my brow. There, I'm showing you with the pencil, and then where the arch should be and where you should begin your brow. After I got the bottom line created, I went to the top and I started to fill in the top shape of my brow, still avoiding like the front of my brow because I feel like sometimes it can get a little bit too strong and too harsh there. And I used to wear my brows really, really thick and strong like 2 years ago. And I prefer a more dainty, thin brow because I feel like it has a more feminine look. So you guys can see the before and after of just me filling my brows in with that pencil for a few minutes, and I'm just brushing the product through so it's a softer, lighter look. And you can see the difference in my brows with just that. And I'm going to speed up the process on my other brow, but you guys can see I'm creating my shape at the bottom first, getting that nice arch on there, and then I'm creating the shape at the top as well, still avoiding the front of my brow so it doesn't look too harsh. And I really like to have that nice arch in my brow. I think it's so sexy to do that, to have that nice arch in your brow. So I'm just filling the top in a little bit more. And then I'm using the spoolie to distribute the product through my brow so it's a little bit softer of a look. So some people don't carve out their brows, but I do. So I'm using a shade of foundation that is close to my complexion and an eyeshadow base that is a lot lighter. I'm mixing those together on the back of my hand. What I've been doing differently with my brows is I have a highlighted brow. So I use this brush here, which is a flat brush. I got it from Michael's, but you can find a makeup brush that's flat like this too. It's perfect for carving out your brows. So I'm going to be mixing my foundation with the P. Louise Rumor 02 base. So it's very highlighted underneath my brow and it's going to draw attention to my arch. And I'm starting halfway of my brow, like a little bit before my arch. And I'm going ahead and carving and cleaning out my eyebrow. So I'm cleaning up that shape. So if you made any mistakes with your pencil before this, you can always clean up your brow during this portion of carving out your brows. So I'm going into my foundation that is close to my shade. I was using the Il Maquillage foundation in color 160, and I'm using that at the front of my brow, and I'm going to go ahead and use that to blend the front part of my brow and stopping in the middle and just kind of blending it with that lighter shade. You don't have to do this, but this is what I've been doing, and I really like how my brows look. I've loved my brows ever since I started doing this. So I'm just dragging the product onto my lid and in my inner corner down there. And now I'm going to work on the top of my brow. Some people don't like to have really like carved brows and stuff like that, but I do. So I took that shade, that Il Maquillage shade that's closest to my complexion, and I went ahead and started to clean up the top of my brows to make sure it looks precise. And I'm going to do that on the left and right side. And it's going to look like I have a unibrow, which, you know, it looks crazy. This is just the process. But now I'm going to take my Morphe. I think this is the Morphe M173 brush. It's nice and dense and short, so it's perfect for blending out concealers, and I specifically use it on my brows. So I'm just going to go ahead and start to blend all of that out. And I'm going to be taking that brush and blending it at the front of my brows as well, just to have a softer transition throughout the brow. I'm just going to soften the front of it, and we're done. That's it right there. They're not perfect, but they're beautiful. I love how my brows look now. You guys see the before at the top and how it looks now. I think it looks very, very nice. And I love how my brows look nowadays. And tomorrow, here is a sneak peek at the cut crease I'm going to do tomorrow. Yeah, so you guys tune in. Remember, I'm having a upload every day this week for my birthday week. So tune in to that makeup tutorial to see how I got that eye look. It's cute. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this brow routine video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family. Tell me some of your favorite brow products that you use down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.